Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook edamame Indian style. First, let's get our edamame ready. You can use either fresh or frozen edamame pods for this recipe. Simply boil or steam them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well and set them aside. This quick preparation ensures they are perfectly cooked and ready to absorb all the delicious Indian flavors we're about to add. Now for the heart of our Indian-style edamame, the tempering. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small pinch of asafoetida. Sauté these aromatic spices for approximately 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance, creating a flavorful base. Next, we'll build on our spice base. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion to the pan and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until its raw aroma disappears. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, mixing everything thoroughly for about 60 seconds. Almost there. Now, add your pre-cooked edamame pods to the pan with the aromatic spice mixture. Toss everything gently to ensure each pod is beautifully coated with the flavorful spices. Season with salt to your liking and add a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, tangy finish. Garnish with about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, and your delicious Indian-style edamame is ready to be served warm as a snack or side dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.